Why is the floor so cold tonight?
Because sneaky husbands are walking on it at midnight.
I am not sneaky. I am exploring the kitchen.
With a spoon in your pocket?
A smart explorer always prepares tools.
Why are you opening the fridge so slowly?
I do not want to wake the cheese.
The cheese is not sleeping, I am.
Go back to bed, dear.
Not until I know what you are eating.
I am checking the light bulb.
With cake in your mouth?
This is emergency cake.
Emergency for who?
For my hungry soul.
Your soul already looks very full.
My stomach is crying.
Your stomach ate 2 dinners.
That was many hours ago.
It was 9 p.m.
Time moves faster at night.
Give me that sandwich.
No! This sandwich trusts me. The sandwich is shaking with fear. I found it first.
I made it first.
Marriage means sharing.
Wonderful. Then share half.
Half is too emotional for me.
Grandpa!
Fine. One tiny bite.
That bite is smaller than an ant.
It is a diet bite.
Why are you whispering?
I do not want the refrigerator to judge me.
Even the refrigerator is tired of you.
Shh. The chicken might hear us.
The chicken is already dead.
Do not ruin the mood.
Why do you look like a raccoon?
Midnight eating is an art.
Your art has mayonnaise on its nose.
That is fashion.
Hand me the cookies, too. You got it.
Aha! You are also stealing food.
I am confiscating evidence.
You cannot arrest me in my own kitchen.
Watch me.
Please be gentle. I am old.
Old people should sleep at midnight.
Wise people eat snacks.
Wise people do not chew this loudly.
Crunching improves happiness. Then why are you hiding under the table now?
You drop potato chips everywhere.
Tactical retreat.
Get back here.
I am feeding the floor.
Even the ants will get fat.
Ants deserve joy too.
Move over. I want ice cream.
Ice cream at midnight?
Do not judge me, cookie criminal.
Strawberry or chocolate?
Both. Tonight I am dangerous.
I married a monster.
Says the man eating cold pizza at 2 a.m.
Pizza tastes better in darkness.
Your beard has ketchup on it.
That is midnight decoration.
Give me 1 slice.
Only if you promise silence.
Deal.
Wait, did you eat my cookie?
Marriage means sharing.
You used my own words against me.
I learned from the best thief in town.
This kitchen is not safe anymore.
Especially for snacks.
Tomorrow we start a healthy diet.
Yes. Tomorrow.
But tonight,
Tonight we attack the refrigerator together.